Halo semuanya, welcome back to my channel. Pada kesempatan kali ini kita mau membahas soal-soal matematika berkaitan dengan functions. Soal ini saya dapatkan dari salah satu sekolah internasional di Jakarta. Jadi kalian boleh simak video ini sampai selesai untuk melihat pembahasan soal-soalnya seperti apa. Yuk kita langsung lihat ya. Yang pertama, determine which relations below is a functions and which is not, ya. Jadi state the reason for your decisions, ya. Jadi kita diminta menentukan dari A, B, C, D ini mana yang merupakan functions, ya. Karena tidak semua relations, ya. Not all relations is a functions, ya. So how do we determine which one is a functions? So you can use this method, ya. It's called as a vertical lines method, yeah. So you have to draw a vertical lines and you can try to draw in a certain points of the functions like this. For example, if I draw like this, and as I see, I have each of the yellow vertical lines I draw, I have exactly one point intersections, yeah. If you have only one intersection point, so I guess that's a functions, yeah. How about B? So if like this, I draw a vertical line. So as you can see, quickly you can find there are more than one point of intersection. So B not functions, yeah. So this is not function. So A is a functions, yeah. See, I'm a bit confused. See, I don't see the graph or something else, so we just skip C. And D here, we just use the vertical lines method, yeah. I think it's the same also, yeah. So it's also a functions for D. All right, that's for number one. Then we continue next to number 2 here, yeah. Let fx equals 7 minus 2x and gx, ya, function g equals to x plus 3. A, ya, find the function A. Ini komposisi, ya. Jadi kita harus hitung dulu, ya. Untuk yang A, itu jadi g of fx. It means that function f input to functions g. So it means that 7 minus 2x plus 3, so it's equals to 10 minus 2x. So this is the answer for 2A. Next B, write this symbol means inverse functions here. So it means gx is equals to x plus 3. Inverse mean, so normally we write the functions in terms of x, right? So now we have to write in terms of y, okay? So x is y minus 3. So this is basically the g inverse, yeah, the inverse function of g. So but we have to write back like this, x minus 3, yeah. So this is the answer. Now part C, all right, part C, find the FOG inverse and then x first. By 7 minus 2x is x minus 3, yeah. 7 minus 2x plus 6, so it's equals to 13 minus 2x. When the question asking you like this, 5, you just input 13 minus 2 multiplied with 5 is equals to 3. That's for number 2. All right, move on to number 3. Next one. Okay. Hx. Okay, Hx is a composition function here. So this one, 3, 2x is 5, 6x minus 15, I mean. Yeah, so this is 8x. This is for number A. Now for number B, you can write like this. Now the question asking you for the inverse. Now you divide it with 6. This is the inverse, basically, but you need to write x minus 15 over 6. All right. Move on to number 4. Okay, function combined with logarithm. So, yeah, here, we're going to find out the inverse. So y equals logarithm basis 3x to the power of square ya. And then 3 pangkat Y sama dengan X pangkat setengah ya. Jadi kalian harus ingat ya, ini jadi kalau ada log AB pangkat C itu artinya A pangkat C sama dengan B, seperti itu ya. Jadi ini udah betul, kita tinggal lanjutin. Nah, ini artinya kan kita kuadratin ya. Kita kuadratin jadi 3 pangkat 2Y itu jadi X pangkat 1, seperti itu. But you have to write back as f inverse x is equals to 3 to the power of 2x. Yeah, so proof. For part B, write down the range. So it means part B, range of the inverse fx is equals to domain of fx itself. So it means that it's equals to y bigger than 0. Next part C here, okay, x. So it means 3 to x. X itself is, wait, g, right? Okay, log 3x. Using properties of log, we can write as x squared here, and the answer is we can cancel out this, yeah. So it's equals x squared. This is for part C. And now, for answering this, we just calculate 2 squared, so it means 4. All right, next, move on to number 5. Okay, this one is also about inverse functions. So you first write as like this, and now you can find using the logarithm, yeah. Log AB equals to C means B equals to A pangkat C ya. Ini berarti log A Y sama dengan X plus 3, right? So here is equals to ln. Ln is not natural logarithm, yeah. So you didn't write the numbers of bases again, yeah, because already stated in the functions, yeah. Ln, yeah, natural logarithm. And then here is -3 equals to x. This is the inverse functions. Write once again as like this. So it's a proof. So next, this is for the first part, A. Second part, domain, yeah. So domain of this is equals to x bigger than 0. Pretty clear, huh? B, solve, yeah. The question asking you for solving. So ln x minus 3 equals to ln, sorry, x. So it means ln x minus ln 1 over x equals 3. Using properties of logarithm, we can write this as x divided with 1 over x is to 3. And then ln x squared equals to 3. So x squared equals to a to the power of 3. So x itself is a to the power of 3 over 2. Yeah, so this is the solutions for the equations. All right, we'll move next to number 6. Yeah, I think there are maybe about around 9 or 10 numbers, yeah, problems here in the worksheet, yeah. Number 6, yeah, now FOG, all right, not too difficult, I guess, for this one. FOG, it means that FOG 4, it means that 2 multiplied with 1 over x minus 3, but you have to substitute 4 here, and then the answer is 2. Pretty clear, huh? All right, now here y equals 1 over x minus 3. X minus 3 equals 1 over y. x equals 3 plus 1 over y. So it means that the inverse function of g is equals to this. Right, we answer A and B now. Part C, write the domain of G. The domain is X element real, yeah? So X can be any number, but X cannot be equals to 0. Why? Since if you input X equals to 0 to these functions, the result will be undefined, right? Okay. Move. Next questions, number 7. All right, I'm a bit confused about this. It's symbol A. I guess the teachers wants to write like this, maybe. No, I don't know. So in this case, we just ignore the A, yeah. 2x equals to 3 minus y squared, and then x equals to 3 minus y squared over 2. Right, once again, as the inverse x equals 3 minus x squared over 2. When the teacher's asking you for input 5 here, it means 3 minus 25 over 2, negative 22 over 2 is negative 11. So that's the answer, yeah? Oh, sorry, this one. This is the... All right, next. Number 8. So number 8 is using logarithmic properties, yeah? So the first A1 is log A. It means 1. Second one is log A1 is equals to 0, right? A pangkat 4, ini jadinya hasilnya adalah 4 kali log it means 4 kali 1 ya, jadi jawabannya 4 ya. Ini menggunakan formula properties dari logaritma. Nah, kita diminta untuk gambarin nih, ternyata kalau fx-nya itu kan seperti ini. Nah, bagaimana untuk grafik f inverse-nya? Jadi, dia grafiknya itu akan seperti ini. Dia melewati titik, kalau ini kan 1,0, yang ini titik 0,1 ya. Seperti itu. Jadi seolah-olah dicerminkan terhadap ini ya, garis y sama dengan x seperti ini. Ya. Jadi reflection, so the sketch of the graph of inverse functions of x is kind of like you reflect the functions to these yellow lines, yeah, y equals to x. But don't forget to write down this because ini sudah pasti 1,0, yang ini harus 0,1 ya. Nggak boleh miss itu ya. Lanjut, nomor 8. So I guess this is the final number here, I guess. Oh yeah, that's correct, yeah. So next, number 9. Using the properties of natural log. So it means that y equals, I'm writing first like this. Y equals ln. Nah ini kalau ditambah berarti dia dikali. Kayak begini. Nah berarti y equals ln 2x plus 10. Nah ini berarti jadinya E pangkat Y itu 2x plus 10. Berarti nyari function inverse kan. Ini berarti E pangkat Y min 10 sama dengan 2x. Nah, setengah E pangkat Y min 10 sama dengan x. So it means that the inverse function of fx ya, is equals to half multiplied with A pangkat x min 10 ya. You can write like that, or if you want to write like this, that's fine. Yeah, it's the same value. Yeah. Okay, move part B, and this is part A. G is AX, yeah. Find GOF, yeah, GOF. GOF, it means that A pangkat F itself is ln 2x plus 10, right? So GOF x here is A. This is basically log A 2x plus 10. Yeah, using the properties of logarithm, once again, you can cancel out this, all of this. So it means that only 2x plus 10, where A now is, yeah, this is the form where A is 2 and B itself is B. B itself is 10, sorry. So I found the answer. All right, finally, we're done. So what do you think? If you have anything to ask, just drop your questions on the comment section below or try to reach me by my WhatsApp. So we'll see on the next video. Bye-bye.